I think banks, when you look where they're coming from, with the second largest IT budget in the world after the military, then you wonder why banks in the industry like financial service industry, which is a complete information industry, ideal for making finance 100% digital, but banks haven't. Banks overslept and fintechs helped them to wake up. I never really differentiate between fintech and banks. For me, this is one industry, the financial service industry, which should be best enabled for you as your customers. The biggest trend banks have missed is the trend of being brave. With this, I don't mean to lose all the money and don't look at risk management. No, with brave I mean to be brave enough to embrace change. Change when it comes to talent, technology, organization, and clearly to building customer-centric products. Everything needs to go faster, better, and more digital. And for this, you need to be willing to changing your business model in a brave fashion. I remember in the beginning where a lot of people in banks said, oh, let the kids play. This will go away because these kids don't know regulations, these kids don't know capital, these kids don't know brand value. But today, a lot of people realize that fintechs are very relevant players who get a lot of funding, a lot of support. Clearly, it was a wake-up call for them to seeing the power of fintechs. Customers really want this industry to be behaving differently. They wanted to have it more seamless, more real-time, more transparent. I think the strongest effect fintech has to this industry that it's an interesting industry again. In the time before fintech, we saw a lot of the financial crisis, and the crisis have been initiated by broken systems. Fintech changed that. Fintech showed the world that you can build good solutions, digital solutions, in a transparent and modern way. COVID clearly changed the way we deal with financial services in our daily life. Now you see a lot of people using their credit card, or even more excitingly, their mobile phone to pay at supermarkets, online stores, all over the place. The digital offerings got significantly more traffic than before, as many branches were closed. Banks should collaborate with fintechs because in the end, fintechs can help them to transform for their end customer needs. Fintechs can make banks faster. Fintechs can make banks better. This industry is a network industry. You don't want to take your bet on just one player. Jointly, you can reshape this industry much better than alone.